This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome to Special Report. I'm David Denault. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket with the Dragon capsule lifted off from Launch Complex 40 early this morning, carrying 4 astronauts to the International Space Station.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of the Falcon 9 and International Space Station.
Stage 1 propulsion is now.
NASA astronauts Jessica Meir and Jack Hathaway will serve as space commander and pilot respectively, and will be accompanied by ESA, the European Space Agency astronauts Sofia Arduino and Roscosmos cosmonaut Andrei Ferdea, who will both serve as mission specialists. And Crew 12 will join the Expedition 74 crew members currently aboard the space station. And Commander Meir participated in the first all-female spacewalks in 2019 during Expedition 61 and 62. And it will be the first time a French woman astronaut, Sofia Arduino, will be going into space. Now, during a pre-launch news conference, they were asked about the experience.
I wanted to ask a question to Jessica Meir and Sofia Denault. As you're both preparing to launch at a particularly symbolic moment, as the first crewed lunar mission with a woman is also set to launch soon, I wanted to ask, how do you feel regarding this? Sophie, you will also be the second French woman astronaut to ever fly in space. So I was curious to know, what do these milestones represent to you both?
Yeah, this was something that I spoke to often after the first all-female spacewalk with my colleague, Christina Cook, again, as mentioned. And I think for us, we are all equally trained. For us, it doesn't really matter who's doing what, because whether it's a spacewalk, a robotic capture, or a scientific experiment, we are all fully trained and ready to go. So the assignments doesn't really matter who does what. That's how I kind of thought about things in the beginning for the spacewalk as well. Christina and I were just going out the door and doing our job that day. But it did take on a lot more significance to me over time as I saw the outpouring of enthusiasm and support that we received from people all around the world, from all walks of life. And that is something that we really reflected on and did not take lightly. That meant a lot. And to me, what it means really, it's for the generations of minorities and people that were truly pushing the boundaries earlier that got us to where we are, where now it just feels incredibly normal for Sophie and I to be doing exactly what Jack and Andre are doing. There's no question. But the only reason we feel that is because of all of the hard work and glass ceilings that were broken for the generations of women and minorities before us. And so I hope that for them, they are the ones that can truly celebrate and revel in these achievements.
Yeah, I could not agree more with you, Jessica. So for me, being here today has been possible because I received a lot of inspiration from role models. So not only men astronauts, but also women astronauts. I remember very well the first launch of Claudie Agnuret. I was 14 years old. And that day, it kind of clicked in my mind. She was the first French woman astronaut flying to space. And before, only men, and you when you're a teenager, you're just looking for inspiration. And if someone has done it already, then it clicks in your mind, say, hey, yeah, if a woman has done it already, then why not me? And so if any of us can give some inspiration to whoever needs it, I think inspiration doesn't have a genre. Yeah, if we can do this for people who need it, then we're happy to do it.
The flight is the 12th crew rotation with SpaceX to the orbiting laboratory as part of NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Crew 12 will conduct scientific investigations and technology demonstrations to help prepare humans for future exploration missions to the Moon and Mars, as well as benefit people here on Earth. Now, you can see all of our reports on Facebook page at aboutspace.today or on your favorite channel. And be sure to click like if you liked our programs, and follow us and subscribe. To all of our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for taking time from your home or from where you work to listen today. I'm David Denault.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.